The diagram shows a map between three towns, Appleton, Bakerville and Coppleston, where the three roads AB, BC and CA bound a national park. So here we've got a diagram A, B, C, and we've got the three roads, one 46 kilometres, the other 18 kilometres and the other 36 kilometres. Calculate the area of the national park. So here we have the diagram. So what you need to do is label the diagram correctly. So this will be small a because it's opposite angle A. This will be small b because it's opposite angle B. And this will be small c because it's opposite angle C. Now what we need to do is calculate one of the angles. It doesn't matter which angle we calculate, we just need to calculate one, and then we can find the area using two sides and the included angle. So finding an angle using the cosine rule, because we've got two sides and the included angle, I'm going to find this angle here at A. So cos A is b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. So it's always minus the one opposite the angle. So that's going to be 36 squared plus c squared, which is 46 squared, minus a squared, which is minus 18 squared, divided by 2 times 36 times 46. Now use the fraction button on your calculator. That will give you 193 over 207. And we need the angle, so A will be cos to the minus 1 of 193 over 207, which gives me 21.193. Now we need to keep not round this off prematurely, and therefore in order to find the area, knowing that this angle is 21.193 degrees, the area will be 1/2 BC sine A. So the area will be 1/2 times 36 times 46 times the sine of 21.193, which is going to be 299.332, which correct to three significant figures will be 299 kilometers squared. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the area of a triangle just given the three sides. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.